What if 2026 becomes the year crypto finally works for you, not against you? Right now, millions of people are still confused about crypto, while a small group quietly uses it to build wealth, earn passive income, and work globally from anywhere in the world. In this presentation, you'll learn how people are realistically making money in crypto in 2026, even without being experts or taking crazy risks. If your goal is to understand crypto, avoid common mistakes, and position yourself early for the next wave of opportunities, you're in the right place. Backhand Index Pointing Right subscribe to this channel for weekly videos on crypto, online income, and financial growth in 2026 and beyond. 1. Long-term investing, smart holding. The easiest and safest way to make money in crypto in 2026 is still long-term investing. Instead of chasing random coins, focus on established blockchains with real adoption, strong developer activity, clear use cases, payments, AI, DeFi, infrastructure. The goal is simple: buy quality assets during market pullbacks and hold through growth cycles. 2. Crypto trading, short-term opportunities. Crypto markets remain volatile in 2026, which creates opportunities for traders. Key trading approaches include spot trading, buy low, sell high. Swing trading using trends, risk-managed leverage trading, for experienced users only. Successful traders focus on discipline, risk control, and consistency, not gambling. 3. Staking and passive income. One of the biggest crypto opportunities in 2026 is earning passive income. With staking, you can lock your crypto to support a network, earn rewards over time, reduce the need for constant trading. Many blockchains now offer stable and predictable returns, making staking attractive for long-term holders. 4. DeFi, decentralized finance. DeFi continues to evolve in 2026, offering ways to earn beyond simple holding. Popular DeFi strategies include yield farming, liquidity provision, decentralized lending, and borrowing. While returns can be high, DeFi requires research, security awareness, and smart risk management. 5. Crypto content creation in 2026. People don't just make money from crypto, they make money talking about crypto. You can earn by running a YouTube channel, posting crypto content on TikTok or X, writing newsletters or blogs. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and communities. 6. NFTs and digital assets, utility focused. NFTs in 2026 are less about hype and more about utility. Opportunities now exist in gaming assets, membership, NFTs, digital identity, and access tokens. The focus is on value and usefulness, not speculation. 7. Web3 jobs and freelancing. Crypto has created a new job market. In-demand roles include community managers, content writers, developers, and designers. Marketing and growth specialists. Many Web3 jobs pay in crypto and allow remote work from anywhere. 8. Crypto startups and services. Another powerful path is building crypto-related businesses. Examples include education platforms, wallet or tool services, consulting for individuals and businesses. This approach combines entrepreneurship with blockchain innovation. 9. Risk management in 2026. Making money in crypto is not just about profits, it's about survival. Smart rules include never invest money you can't afford to lose, use secure wallets and strong security practices, avoid hype-driven decisions, diversify your portfolio. Risk management separates winners from losers. Conclusion: crypto in 2026 offers massive opportunities for those who are patient, informed, and strategic. Whether through investing, trading, staking, content creation, or Web3 jobs, the key is to focus on value, manage risk, and think long-term. Those who treat crypto like a real business, not a lottery, will be the ones who win.